Question number 3. A stone is thrown vertically upwards from the top of a cliff with a velocity v. Okay, you are throwing the stone from here. Here resistance is negligible. What is the variation with time t of the velocity of the stone as it hits the ground? Okay, what is the velocity? Okay, so VT graph is given, which the VT graph is right over here. Okay, so now as you see here, when you throw the particle from here, what happens to velocity? Here velocity is higher, and when it goes upwards, velocity keeps on reducing over here. Velocity keeps on reducing according to equation v equal to u plus at over here. Let me write v dash over here, because this u is nothing but v here. V minus g into t, right? So therefore, now if you look at this velocity, velocity keeps on decreasing, and when it goes to this point, velocity becomes 0 over here. Okay, now which one? So it's a linear straight line. So therefore, this is outdated. This is gone. Okay, this one increases. This is also gone. Velocity decreases. Velocity decreases. Either A and B should be the answer. One of them should be the answer. Let us find out which one is it. And then next, now as the particle starts coming down from here, what happens? It starts coming down. It is changing its direction. Whenever there is a change in the direction, okay, initially particle is going like this, and now it is like this over here. The velocity goes negative over there. This is a main clue over here. Whenever the particle takes an U-turn, the velocity becomes negative. Okay, that's the first thing. So now where does velocity become negative? Velocity becomes negative here. It does not become negative here. So this is incorrect. This is the right option.